The Asia-Pacific is home to some of the world's richest ecosystems, fast-growing cities, and climate-vulnerable communities. Many of the region's global change challenges extend beyond national borders, calling for a coordinated regional response.
This is the story of APN, a network built to bridge science and policy, foster regional collaboration, and support a sustainable future.
In April 1990, at a conference in Washington, D.C., U.S. President George H.W. Bush called on the world to build regional networks and strengthen global change research.
2 years later, through the Tokyo Declaration on the U.S.-Japan Global Partnership, President Bush and Prime Minister Kiichi Miyazawa reaffirmed both countries' commitment to science and technology cooperation, including support for regional approaches to global change research.
Between 1992 and 1995, 3 workshops in Tokyo convened 19 countries and 12 international organizations. By the 3rd workshop, APN had moved from preparatory to the operational phase.
With a shared vision established, APN turned to building the governance structures that would guide its work for decades to come.
In 1996, APN held its first intergovernmental meeting in Chiang Mai, Thailand, establishing its governance structure and charting its program of activities.
Later that year, the first scientific planning group met in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, to identify the research priorities that would guide the activities of APN for years to come.
From 1998 to 2002, APN supported its first regional research project. Scientists from Australia, China, India, Italy, Japan, the Republic of Korea, and the USA compared regional climate projections, contributed to IPCC assessment reports, and strengthened climate modeling networks.
In 2002, APN adopted its first framework document at the 7th Intergovernmental Meeting. That same year, APN reached a significant milestone, awarding more than $10 million to 78 projects through annual calls for regional research and capacity development.
Building on this momentum, APN expanded its reach, deepening scientific capacity and reinforcing ties across its subregions.
Capable, the Scientific Capacity Development Program was launched during the World Summit on Sustainable Development. Its first project supported climate change impact assessments in Lao PDR and Thailand through training workshops and pilot case studies.
In 2007, APN reinforced regional cooperation through a series of sub-regional committee meetings to coordinate regional action. The first meetings were held in Indonesia for Southeast Asia in 2007, Sri Lanka for South Asia in 2009, and Mongolia for Temperate East Asia in 2015.
Alongside its growing network, APN invested in people and strengthened the link between science and policy.
Since 2008, the Proposal Development Training Workshops have helped early career professionals develop proposals, build networks, and engage in regional collaboration.
APN also established the Mitra Award for Global Change Research to recognize outstanding young scientists, honoring Dr. Ashish Prasad Mitra, who served as a scientific planning group member for India from 1996 to 2007.
From 2012, the Science Policy Dialogues of APN brought scientists and policymakers together to strengthen evidence-based decision-making and build a shared understanding of pressing global change issues.
In 2017, APN launched the Collaborative Research for Early Career Scientists Small Grants Program. By 2020, 8 projects had received around $180,000 in support.
By 2022, more than 100 publications from APN projects had been cited in the IPCC 6th Assessment Report, a testament to the global relevance of regional climate research.
Looking ahead, APN continues to broaden participation and deepen collaboration across the region. In 2024, the first Pacific Subregional Committee meeting in Suva, Fiji, marked the start of Pacific Subregional cooperation among Australia, Fiji, New Zealand, and the USA, with a focus on Pacific-led research.
In 2025, APN launched its first donation platform, creating new opportunities for individuals and organizations to support research and capacity development. From a call for cooperation to a network spanning the Asia-Pacific, APN has connected science, policy, and people for more than 3 decades. As global change challenges continue to evolve, APN remains committed to advancing knowledge, strengthening partnerships, and building a more sustainable future for the Asia-Pacific region.